How to use video for your business. Hello, I'm Ken Robinson, and in this video, I plan to share with you how in the last 12 months I've started using video, not only to promote my business, but to promote my client's business. Only earlier today, I made a video like this for a client, which earned me $1,250. But how did I do that? Well, prior to COVID, I ran a traditional marketing company. And over the last 30 years, I've had some great success. I've had clients who've walked away with hundreds of thousands of dollars through my traditional marketing methods. But like all of us, COVID has changed everything, and I decided to embrace video. And I'm now finding that I'm making videos for my clients, and I'm earning good money from video. But how did I make that transition? Well, it all comes down to Primal Video Accelerator. It's a membership program that I've been involved in over the last 6 months. Justin Brown, the founder of Primal Video, and his brother Mike have taken me and various other small business people through a step-by-step membership program that has enabled us to not only learn about video, learn how to make video, learn how to write a video script, learn how to actually talk to a camera like I am now, but it's shown me the opportunity video has to grow your business. Now, it is a closed membership, and they only open the doors every so often. And right now, those doors are open. If you click on the link below, there is a webinar that you can watch. I watched the same webinar 6 months ago, and I made the decision to join Primal Video Accelerator. Not only has it taught me a whole new set of skills, but I'm now actually making money from video. It's hard to believe that 12 months ago when I started the concept of getting into video, did I think within 12 months' time, I would be actually billing clients over $1,200 to make a video. If I can do it, you can do it as well. In this course, in this membership program, Primal Video Accelerator, you'll also learn how to promote your business. As I said, click on the link below, watch the webinar. The doors close for Primal Video Accelerator very shortly, and I look forward to seeing you in the membership program, and together we'll start growing our business. Thanks for your time.